Good morning, guys. Today we're in Trincomalee and we are going to the Pigeon Island. It costs about £45 and it's for 3 hours, and apparently there's really colourful fish. So let's go.
A shark out of the puddle. The water is super cold.
We then stopped for lunch. We got given some watermelon and some water, and we had a little walk around the island. It's really beautiful, and if you do come to Trincomalee, you should definitely do Pigeon Island. It's really beautiful, and I've never seen a blacktip shark before. I'm gutted that I didn't get it on camera, but it was huge. It was like the size of me. So Pigeon Island is gorgeous. There's barely any trash. There's a lot of beautiful fish here. We saw a shark, a couple of turtles. Very nice.